Today, I will share 8 faceless channel ideas with you that are going to grow massively in 2026. If you are also thinking of creating a YouTube channel where you don't have to show your face, don't need many skills, and can still earn good money, then these 8 ideas are perfect for you. Starting with idea number 1, stickman videos. For example, check out this channel called Easy Actually. It completed more than 1 million subscribers with just 23 videos. Seeing these numbers, you might think the production quality and editing of this channel must be very advanced. So let's watch its most popular video, which has 9 million views.
So you want to become smart. In most of the world, you're told that it takes 12 years of school, plus 4 years of college, plus 6 years of graduate school to become smart.
As you saw, the editing is very simple. A plain black background, simple text, and a cute stickman character that stays throughout the entire video. And you can literally create such a character in MS Paint or any editor using the pen tool or brush tool. Otherwise, AI is always there. This channel mostly covers self-improvement and lifestyle education topics, like being productive, making friends, and becoming smart. But of course, this is not the only channel making stickman videos. There are many channels creating stickman content in their preferred niches, like English speaking, science, and even YouTube growth. The reason why these videos perform so well is because nowadays, content on social media has become overly visually stimulating and fast-paced, which overloads our brain. In contrast, stickman videos have a less is more vibe, which helps the brain relax and process information easily.
Now let's talk about the second channel idea, which is all-in-one breakdown. For example, check out this channel called Everything Professor. It gained more than 300K subscribers with just 49 videos. All videos on this channel follow a new format that is trending heavily in 2026. For example, if the video is about drugs, the topic would be something like Every Drug and Its Effect Explained. If it's about getting rich, the title would be Every Way to Get Rich in 2025 Explained. If it's about humor, the title would be Every Type of Humor Explained. Basically, you choose one main topic and explain all its subtopics. That's it. For video ideas and scripts, you can use ChatGPT, and you can also generate voiceovers with AI. As for editing, it's very basic. You can easily do it using AI-generated images, PNG elements, and clip art. The best part is that this type of channel can cover almost any topic, from finance to psychology, wildlife, religion, and much more. So video ideas will always be unlimited. You can also niche down if you want, like the channel Food Mark, which follows the same format but focuses only on different types of food. Now, the third channel idea is book summaries. We all know we should read books, but most people either don't have time or get confused about which book to choose because of too many options. Book summary channels like Audiobook One, Reader's Book Club, and Bookpedia solve this exact problem. They pick key points and ideas from books and cover them in just 30 to 40 minutes, saving a lot of time for viewers. Nowadays, it's even easier to create such videos because AI can summarize books for you. You can then rewrite the summary in your own words to make it engaging and create a final script. Editing is almost negligible. You just need to show the book cover throughout the video. The best part is that this niche has a good RPM, and you can add affiliate links of the books in your description to generate extra income. Now let's talk about the next channel idea, which is horror stories. I don't know how many of you are interested in horror stories, but there is a massive audience for this on YouTube. Take a look at a channel called Mr. Nightmare. It currently has over 7 million subscribers and earns more than $20,000 per month just through AdSense. The videos are extremely simple.
But for the rest of my time in the store that night, I kept seeing that man circling the aisles. And each time he walked past the aisle I was in, he'd slow down or even stop and just look down at me. I was getting increasingly uncomfortable.
Just a narrator's voice, some stock images, and dark ambient background music suitable for horror. Overall, editing work is almost zero, and the main focus is storytelling. As for stories, Mr. Nightmare often gets them from subscribers, but you can also find such stories on platforms like Reddit. Mr. Nightmare is a pioneer channel, dominating this niche since 2015, but that doesn't mean new creators can't grow. If you create engaging stories with a deep voice, your chances of growing are quite high. Now, the fifth idea is monkey explain videos. Take a look at this channel called Primate Economics. It gained over 500K subscribers with just 24 videos and created a completely new niche by explaining finance topics using monkeys and bananas. For example, if monkeys have one banana, banana rare, banana valuable. But if monkeys grow more banana, banana becomes banana. Primate Economics is not alone. Channels like Ape'sthetic do the same in the fitness niche, and Primate Science does it in science. The reason this idea is on the list is because such channels have been trending for a long time, especially in the US audience. It's very simple. You just need one main character, which you can draw in MS Paint or generate with AI, and then use that as a reference to create all scenes using AI tools like Gemini. Remember, the main reason for the growth of such channels is that they oversimplify complex concepts so even a child can understand them. That's why your primary focus should be on the script. Now, the sixth idea is quiz videos, and this is probably one of the easiest ideas on the list. Take a look at a channel called QuizCake. It has completed over 200K subscribers with around 100 videos. This channel makes very simple quiz videos like guess the country, find the odd one out, guess the correct logo, etc. In this niche, quantity matters a lot, but don't worry because content creation is very easy. You just need to create a template once in your video editor and then replace elements and voiceovers to produce multiple videos daily. Quizzes are naturally interactive, so it's easier to maintain high engagement. You can make your quizzes more interesting by adding levels, assigning points to each question so viewers comment their scores, and providing hints to stand out from others. There is a massive audience for this type of content on YouTube, and top creators in this niche have millions of subscribers. The seventh idea is facts to fall asleep. In this niche, you present facts on any topic in a peaceful voice so viewers can relax or sleep. For example, the Sleepy Science channel. It has been posting videos for just 8 months and already has 250K subscribers. Since this is an educational niche and each video is at least 2 hours long, the RPM is also high. The reason this idea is included is that it requires no extra skills.
Hello there, and welcome to the Sleepy Science channel. Tonight, we'll be exploring some of the greatest wonders of outer space.
As you saw, these videos have almost no visuals because viewers don't watch them, they listen. The most important element is a calm voiceover along with light sleep music. In terms of topics, Sleepy Science covers a wide range from space to psychology to nature, but you can focus on a single niche, like history, geography, or technology. The eighth idea is self-improvement. Although it's not a new niche, recently many channels have been growing fast with very few videos. For example, Rebound Mindset is about to reach 200K subscribers with just 27 videos. Then there's Speak Sorab, which has already crossed 200K subscribers with 56 videos. Another channel, Chat Sensei, recently reached 100K subscribers. Interestingly, all 3 channels started just a year ago, which clearly shows how fast they are growing. If you create such a channel, you can cover topics like communication skills, fitness, looks maxing, psychology, and so on. These videos are easy to make. For voiceovers, you can use your own voice, which is best, or AI voice like Rebound Mindset. For visuals, they use stock footage, movie clips, and AI-generated visuals along with basic animations and text. So again, no advanced editing skills are required. The script is the most important part because self-improvement is a very crowded niche. You need to provide the best information in the most engaging way to stand out. I recommend not relying only on ChatGPT for basic information because it's already everywhere on YouTube. Instead, read articles, watch expert videos, and do proper research so you can provide real value to your audience. Now, after watching this video, you must have gotten an idea for your Faceless channel, but it's also important to know how to edit Faceless videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!